Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing the research methodology of study. Research methodology explains how research is conducted and why certain methods are used. What is research methodology? The systematic theoretical analysis of method that techniques applied to a field of study, providing a blueprint for collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data. In other words, muna siya ang mapamaagi kung saan nato pag-kolekta, pag-analyze, ug pag-interpret ang ato ang data nga nagather through uh, observation, experimental, and other way of conducting a study. It explains how the research is conducted. It helps answer the research question accurately. Type of methodology. Number one is we have qualitative research. Is a research approach that focuses on understanding people experience, perception, and meaning using non-numerical data such as words, interview, and observation. So, in other words, qualitative research is focused on people's opinion, uh, word for word interview, then and observation of certain event or groups. There are six examples of qualitative research. Number one is one-on-one interview, case study research, record keeping, process of observation, ethnographic research, focus group. So that is under qualitative research. Then we have quantitative research. Is a research approach that focuses on measuring variable and analyzing numerical data using statistics to test relationship pattern or hypothesis. So under on that is we have descriptive research, correlational, correlational research, quasi-experimental research, experimental research, and we have survey research. Descriptive research focus on describing the characteristic of population or phenomenon. Correlational research investigate the relationship between variables without the research controlling them. Survey research involve collecting data from the preferred groups of people to gain information and insight. Experimental research use as a specific approach to manipulate variable to determine cause and effect relations. Quasi experimental research similar to experimental research but lack the elements of random assignment to group. And last but not the least is we have the mixed method. Mixed method research combine quantitative and qualitative method. Mixed method research is a research approach that combines quantitative and qualitative method to gain more complete and deeper understanding of research problem. Since this method is combination of quantitative and qualitative, it can be survey and experimental in one study. So that makes mixed method research, or it can be uh, qualitative method or quantitative method is in one study. So that can be mixed method, and it's up to you on how we're going to mix the two methods, the quality and the quantity, to make it mixed method research. So that's all, everyone. Thank you.